My slides are visible.
Sir, we see some black screen.
Someone. Yes, you're identify the three.
So like there's a black screen and your voice is also kind of lagging.
See here, we have C on. My PPT is PPT. With the presentation, my slides are visible.
It's loading, sir.
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
Not it. Try. I am at my home. I mean to have some network issues. This won't be available with our NIT. What from today the NIT will allow anyone inside apart from office faculties. 8th and that they have but I am sharing these contents home itself. Okay, yesterday what we have taught the robot language and functions. In that heads are to reveal about what we have started talk about data objects. This soon you will you are unable to and
Sir, your voice is breaking
we are
and
going to today
are not visible.
and
Hello.
the oral communication itself. Yes. 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 Now. Arun Bala.
Still, sir, your voice is breaking too much and slides are not visible.
Yes, no way we can further improve the audio. Okay, you try to get the content and you please make a note of these commands which aid us to build the newer programs. Yes. Yesterday we have disseminated define. The define command is used to define one particular point, that is Cartesian coordinate, and there are
Now
two
we are
different
seeing
examples.
that.
Yes. You see here, there are two different examples we have given. Here one is V and they, and then define A1, and this is what we were discussed yesterday. And V, and the first one is first consisting of five, and the second example consists of two strings, and define A1, which consisting these five different real numbers, and the usual interpretation of aggregation in this statement is that the three values are used to define the position of the list 50, 236 and 14, or used to define the position, and the rest that too with x, y, z coordinate. The remaining two values are used to define the degrees with respect to the wrist joint. And then we will move to the motion commands. In motion commands, we have move A1. The move A1 is the command which is used to make a move with and move from and two with the movement has to be taken place from its present position to the point where we are going to define. Here in this particular case, the movement has to be taken from the present position to the newer position. The newer position will be A1. And okay, and I'll come back to these slides. Yes, see, there are three lines I am showing. Whether it is visible. See, here assume there are in two way we have C's. Here also we have C. In this portion we have C. Similarly, this is the portion also we have C. Atlantic, on the other side we have Pacific, and the height of this zone will be 26 meters, and the wide of this one is 82 kilometers. Assume it would be 82 kilometers, and this is 26 meters, and the width of this particular place would be 3 kilometers. Here on the top we have some water reservoir. Here we have water reservoir. We have water reservoir, and if we are ready to take the move the ship from this side to this side, then it is feasible to take a travel with it is very helpful to the community. It will reduce drastically reduce the path, and it can be very helpful. And if you since you are a mechanical engineer and assume you are a civil engineer, what will be your preference to take a move from here? We have yes.
Sir, I think the slides are still not visible. Yes, sir. Now it's visible.
I think now it's visible.
Yes, sir.
Here we need to rise our ship, and then on one side we need to drop our ships. Similarly, it will be taken vice versa. The height of this particular zone, we have solid land. On both the sides we have seas. One side it might be a Atlantic. What would be your idea in order to lift this ship from this 0 to 6 meters? Have you heard about this content? See, this is what happening. This is what happening in Panama Canal. Here, this is what happening in Panama Canal. It is an artificial waterway. It is Panama is an artificial waterway, and it has 82 kilometers, and the height is the above sea level is 26 meters. It is in man-made. How the Panama you go and do how it's tough, and it is an intellectual design, and soon you will have the subjects called design of machine elements and design of transmission system and all. And what to do, we need to do a design our own with our own design, own dimensions, but with major constraints. There are already we have some constraints, material constraints and working environmental constraints are there. With that boundary, we need to design our own thoughts and views. This will be a good design, and visible here. My web page is visible. Someone go ahead, Chitash or
What, sir?
is already getting my point, and still there is a network issue.
Yes, sir. Screen is visible, sir, but voice is breaking.
But it is good. Arun Balaji.
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir. Something is breaking in between.
Oh. Just a minute. Yes, now check with my audio. Now my audio is clear. Chitash, Arun Balaji, Sabarini.
Yes, sir. Now your audio is a bit clear, sir.
Okay, okay. See, my slides are visible.
Sir, your MS Team screen
Slides
is
are visible, Balaji.
your MS Team screen is only visible now, sir.
It will come. Yes, this is what the issue. When we are in NID, network issue. Yes. Then here see the move via A2. The movement from
Hello, sir.
and approach 50 and
Sir, your voice is
yes,
breaking.
okay. We'll meet in the next class. Disseminate and then
Okay, sir.
We'll wind up and we'll meet. I have given one yesterday, and I find any content which we were missed during the sessions. Okay, we'll meet